Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my wash day routine. So I'm starting off on my hair. I just took my protective style out. Well, actually, probably 3 days ago, I took my last protective style out, which was my Jumbo Knotless braids. If you haven't already checked that video out, please do. I'll link it down below in the description box. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to wet my hair up. And then next I'm gonna take my shampoo, which is the Suave Almond plus Shea Butter moisturizing shampoo, and I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna put it all in my hair. And you guys, these products are super cheap. The shampoo and the conditioner together was $6.99, and I believe it's 28 ounces in each bottle. So yeah, super affordable. So you see I'm making sure to really scrub my edges because of all that edge control and gunk and mess I had going on in there. So I'm not sure if everyone else does this, but this is what I do. I like to detangle my hair while I have the shampoo in it. Now look, I'm not a professional, okay? Do what works for you. This just happens to work for me. Alright, so I'm just going to finish rinsing out all that shampoo out of my hair. And then I'm going to take the Suave Almond plus Shea Butter moisturizing conditioner. And I'm just going to work that all into my hair. And I'm going to be very generous with the conditioner. Honestly, I wish that the conditioner bottle was like 2 times bigger than the shampoo, because I'll always run out of that first. So companies, if you're listening, please give us some bigger conditioner bottles. We'd really appreciate it. So I'm just going to take my brush and I'm going to detangle my hair again. And I'm just going to show you my hair, how it looks, my little curls. So yeah, and then next, what I do is I split my hair in half and then I just twist it away. So I'm just going to let the conditioner sit for 5 minutes and bam, like magic, I'm back. So I'm just going to untwist my hair and then I'm going to rinse the conditioner out. Okay, so once I've rinsed all the conditioner out, I'm going to part my hair down the middle, and then there go my little scrunchies. They don't have the metal part. I got them from the beauty supply store. And I'm going to part my hair in half on the other side, and then I'm going to tie that away. And then I'm going to take my Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner, and I got this for $5.99 at Target. And I'm just gonna work that into my hair. I like to do this while I'm in the shower, while my hair is still fairly wet. I don't have a reason for why I do it. It's just what I like to do. It works for me. Again, please do what works for you. And then I'm just gonna tie that off, and then I'm going to twist my hair up. And then I'm just gonna repeat these steps for each section. And I know you guys are getting the chopped up version, but oh my goodness, I can be in here for a very long time doing this. This is, my one time a week that I have time to myself, so I really do like to enjoy it. So with that being said, I really want to stress to you ladies, please take some time for self-care, even if it's just showering or washing your hair. Please do that for yourself. You really deserve it. Okay, so now we're out the shower and my hair is still really wet. So I'm just gonna loosen that up, and then I'm gonna take my whipped shea butter. I got this from the beauty supply store as well. and I paid $3.49 for it. And I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna work that in my hair. And then I'm just gonna detangle the section and work the shea butter through my hair. As you can see, I do detangle a lot throughout this process, but please do what works for you. If you don't like all the manipulation, please just detangle a little less than I do. Okay, so then I braid the section, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'm just gonna repeat those same steps throughout my hair until I have all 4 sections complete. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna do is try to tame these edges. I didn't add anything. I'm just using my soft brush. Again, I stress my soft brush. And I'm gonna take my scarf. I couldn't find my do-rag, so bear with me. I'm just gonna take that scarf to tie my edges down, and then I'm gonna put on my bonnet, and then I am all done. Okay, lovies, so that is my wash day routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Again, this is super budget friendly. Everything I got from either Target or my local beauty supply store. I'll make sure I leave everything in the description box down below. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. And until next time, take care. Bye.